upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a face-off between two mini 3D printing titans, the Entina 2 and the AnkerMake M5C. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride through the world of 3D printing. Let's jump right in. On the left, we have the Entina 2, priced at a wallet-friendly $169. It's like the McDonald's of 3D printers, cheap, cheerful, and gets the job done. Reviewers love its affordability and ease of use, making it a great entry-level option. On the right, we have the AnkerMake M5C, coming in at a more premium $399. This bad boy is more like the steakhouse of 3D printers. Pricey, but oh so fancy. According to reviews, it's worth every penny for its advanced features and build quality. Entina 2 is the beginner's dream, out of the box, completely assembled, and you can start printing within minutes. It's like instant noodles. Just add filament and go. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity and the fact that it's perfect for beginners. Meanwhile, the M5C is also user-friendly with its integrated design, but it's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. So you can literally print from your couch, your bed, or even your bathroom. Reviewers highlight its ease of setup and the convenience of its app. Entina 2 boasts dual Z-axis rails for high-precision printing. Think of it as the tortoise in the race. Slow and steady wins the detail game. Reviewers mention its consistent and precise results for various projects. But the AnkerMake M5C is the hair on steroids with its Power Boost 2.0 technology. This thing can hit printing speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second while maintaining 0.1 millimeters precision. It's like Usain Bolt and a Swiss watch had a baby. According to reviews, its speed and precision are top-notch, although some users have faced issues with larger prints. Entina 2 is compact and lightweight, like a tiny but mighty desktop warrior. It's perfect for home use, classrooms, and even dorm rooms. You could probably sneak this into your office without your boss noticing. Reviewers love its small footprint and portability. On the other hand, the M5C is a bit more robust and versatile. It's got a PEI flexible magnetic plate, making it easy to remove your prints. Plus, it can handle a wide range of filaments. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers, ready for anything. According to reviews, its design and build quality are fantastic. Entina 2 comes with auto-leveling, a magnetic platform, and even resumed printing after power outages. It's like that friend who always has a backup plan. Reviewers appreciate these features, especially the ease of leveling. But the M5C steps it up with a 49-point automatic bed leveling system, power and filament outage recovery, and an all-metal Hotend that can reach 300 degrees Celsius. It's like having a 3D printing butler at your service. Reviewers are impressed with its advanced features, though some have faced minor hardware and software issues. Reviewers find the Entina 2 to be a fantastic entry-level 3D printer, offering great value for its price with features like auto-leveling and Wi-Fi cloud printing. However, its limited print size is a drawback. The AnkerMake M5C impresses with its speed, precision, and advanced features, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals, despite some minor hardware and software issues. Smiling. So there you have it, folks. The Entina 2 is perfect for beginners and budget-conscious shoppers who want to dip their toes into the world of 3D printing. Meanwhile, the AnkerMake M5C is for those who crave speed, precision, and a bit more versatility. Which one wins your heart? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.